Hi kids, how are you? We are going to start with a new chapter of your book Parts of a Computer. All of you know what is a computer? It is a magical machine. Now there are so many parts of a computer like we have our body parts and every part has a unique name. Similarly, computer has also so many parts with their special name. We are going to learn in this chapter today. So let's begin with parts of a computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, speakers, printer. Starting a computer. So let's just start the chapter.
Kitty, do you know a computer has many parts? Yes, I know. Computer can do many things with these parts. Parts of a computer. Computer is an electronic machine. It performs various tasks. A computer is a combination of many different parts. These parts help computer to do many tasks. Let us know about different parts of a computer in detail. Monitor. A monitor looks like a television. We can watch movies and cartoons on it. It also shows us the work done on a computer. CPU. Central Processing Unit is the full form of CPU. It helps computer to think and work according to given orders. Keyboard. Keyboard is a rectangular board. It has many small keys. These keys are used to type letters, words, numbers and special characters. Mouse. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. It has two buttons. It helps us to play games, draw beautiful pictures, point and select things on the monitor. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to the sound played by computer. Printer. Printer gives out the print of the work we do on the computer. We get printouts on the paper. Starting a computer. Following are the steps to start a computer. Step 1. Switch on the main power supply. Step 2. Switch on the UPS. Step 3. Switch on the CPU. Step 4. Switch on the monitor.